Hey everyone, so I'm in the store shopping. I'm going to show you guys how I get my cheap deals for dog food, and we're going to go ahead and find stuff and then go home and cook it. So we're going to start with some beans. Now you want to get either low sodium or no sodium. This is what I see here. A little bit of salt's not bad here and there, but you want low or no sodium. So we'll go ahead and grab that for $1.25. Now we'll get some veggies. Over here we have a good deal. This is chicken liver. Really nice price. Alright, I got some more meat. Steak here, 30% off. Then I'm going to use some brats and sausage. They were buy one, get one free. And we're back home. We can get to cooking. Now I got the livers in there. And I'm just going to throw all of our ingredients in. We got our vegetables, our beans. And I am just using one of the packs of the sausages, saving one for later. And my total for everything with just one of the packs of sausages was just $9.66. So not too bad. We're going to have a lot of food here for pretty cheap. I am going to leave in this bone. I'm going to take it out at the end, but that marrow should cook out of it and just give a little more nutrition there. So all we do now is turn this on and start cooking it. And we're done cooking now. Now I'm just going to go ahead and strain this with a just a normal like pasta strainer. Take the bone out, let it cool a bit, and then we'll see how my dogs like it. Okay. Prince is the slower eater of the two dogs. We'll see Jack go crazy in a minute. Definitely likes it. We'll go ahead, give some to Jack. Okay. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below. And happy pet keeping.